The Adventures of the Line Friends. Meet the Line Friends. Here's Akara, a tall vertical line. And this is Linio, a flat horizontal line. But wait, there are more friends to meet. Look, two curved lines. This is Archit, the smooth arch, and Squiggle, the wiggly one. And don't forget Slope, the slanting line. What are the line friends going to do today? They're teaming up to make animal shapes. Look, a dog. Can you spot Linio? Wow, an elephant. Where's Archit hiding? Hey, a turtle. Can you see squiggles? What a pretty snail. Can you find slopes? Woohoo! An owl. Where's Akara? Shh! The line friends are resting now. Making animal shapes is fun, but oh so tiring.